Real talk, mommers. There is absolutely nothing like the energy of live music, but trying to navigate a music festival while keeping your milk supply up can feel like a total logistical nightmare. If you're heading out to Coachella, Lollapalooza, or a stadium tour this season, and you invested big bucks in those VIP passes, you do not have to leave your pump at home. In fact, flashing that wristband and knowing the ultimate festival hacks can turn a high-stress weekend into a total breeze. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to conquer a concert while breastfeeding, pump like a total VIP, and live your absolute best life. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom doesn't mean your social calendar has to stop, but it does mean you need a killer game plan. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. Let's start with the absolute baseline rule you need to know before you even arrive at the venue. Your breast pump, milk storage bags, and chillers are considered medically necessary devices. This means they are completely exempt from those tiny, clear bag policies that most festivals enforce. You can bring a heavy-duty backpack filled with your gear, and the security team cannot turn you away. But here is the catch. Just because it is allowed, doesn't mean the frontline staff will automatically know the rules. When you get to the gate, bypass the standard lines and head straight for the medical screening lane or the VIP entrance. Look the security agent in the eye and say, "I am carrying a medically necessary breast pump." Taking control of the interaction from the jump is the ultimate power move. It sets the tone and shows you know your rights so you can breeze past the crowd. Now, let's talk gear, because dancing all day is exhausting enough without dealing with a bulky pump or melted ice. If you want to be extra bougie and completely hands-free, ditch the standard wall plug pumps. You need a cordless, wearable pump like the Willow or LV that slips right into your outfit. You can literally pump while walking between stages or grab a drink at the bar without anyone even noticing. For storage, do not rely on standard Ziploc baggies and a cheap cooler. Invest in a high-end travel chiller like the Sears Chill. It looks like a sleek, expensive water bottle, keeps your liquid gold perfectly cold for over 20 hours, and fits beautifully inside your designer tote. It is a total game changer for keeping your supply safe while you are out under the sun. Finally, let's unlock the ultimate power of the VIP tent. The best part of upgrading your ticket isn't just the premium viewing decks, it is the access to air-conditioned trailers, private restrooms, and power outlets. Skip the dirty porta potties entirely. Head straight to the VIP concierge or the medical tent as soon as you arrive. Many high-end festivals now offer dedicated lactation spaces with comfortable seating, refrigeration, and charging stations. If they don't have a specific room, the main medical tent is legally required to give you a private space to pump and can even store your ice packs in their medical refrigerators. Going to a concert as a breastfeeding mom doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right luxury gear, a little bit of confidence, and that VIP wristband, you can dance the night away and keep your liquid gold perfectly safe. If you love these tips and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and high-end gear, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate concert survival hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Have fun out there, mommers.